Dear students, this is question number 2. It's exercise 4C, book 4, 8th edition. Write down two vectors that are parallel to each of the following vectors, one in the same direction and the other in the opposite direction. अच्छा, हमें दो vectors लिखने हैं. You can see over here, this is open question. It's mean कि आपका आंसर ज़रूरी नहीं है कि आपके बुक के बैक साइड पे मैच होता हो. It's open question. It's mean you can write anything. आप खुद डिसाइड करके लिखोगे. ओके, यू हैव टू डू वन थिंग, वन इन द सेम डायरेक्शन. सेम डायरेक्शन मीन्स we cannot change the sign, and other in the opposite direction, it's mean we can change the sign. Okay, for same direction, it's part A. For same direction, I am writing 2, 8 and minus 7. I am multiplying both of the x and y, both of the component by 2, so it would be 16 and minus 14. And for opposite direction, you can write minus 16, 14, this is correct, or you can write, इसको ही हम opposite direction कर सकते हैं, minus 8, 7, or you can write anything. You can also write minus 24 and 21. What we are doing, again I am explaining you, same direction means हम किसी भी number से multiply या divide कर सकते हैं इसको. So we can get this, because for example this vector is, no, this is not it would be like that, 8 and minus 7 will be like that. So अगर एक vector same direction में जा रहा है, उसको same direction, but we can make it a little long or short. ये मैंने इसको long किया है, multiply by 2 किया है, so the answer is 16 and minus 14. ठीक है. And the second thing that they are asking is in opposite direction. Opposite direction means we have to change the sign. 8 यहाँ positive था, you can see I have changed the sign, minus 8. Minus 7 positive था, यहाँ 7. Minus 7 negative था, यहाँ के ये positive. In the same way I have changed 16 का minus 16 and minus 14 change into 14, or minus 24, 21. I think you understood. ये ओपन क्वेश्चन है, इसके एक से ज़्यादा आंसर्स आप बना सकते हो. सो नाउ मूव टू पार्ट बी. इट्स 3 and 9. ओके, उससे पहले मैंने मल्टीप्लाई किया था. आई एम टेलिंग यू डिवाइड फॉर सेम डायरेक्शन. ये सेम डायरेक्शन था और ये ओपोजिट डायरेक्शन था. ठीक है. नाउ वी आर डूइंग फॉर सेम डायरेक्शन. इट्स now I am taking 3 as अगर मैं कॉमन ले लूँ, 3, 9 को अगर मैं 3 कॉमन ले लूँ, so it would be 1 and 3. ठीक है. पहले 3, 9 इस वे में था, अब वो शॉर्ट हो गया, 1 and 3 बन गया, बिकॉज मैंने 3 कॉमन ले लिया था. यहाँ मैंने 2 से मल्टीप्लाई किया, यहाँ मैंने 3 कॉमन ले लिया. आई एम टेलिंग यू इन बोथ वे. ओके, और यू कैन राइट अनदर आंसर आई एम गिविंग यू. इट कैन बी इफ वी मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 2, so it would be 6 and 18. This is also correct. And for opposite direction, it would be minus 3 and minus 9, or minus 1 minus 3, or minus 6 minus 18, sorry. So now move to part C. Part C is minus 6 and minus 2. For same direction, we can write, I am multiplying it by 2, so it would be minus, if we multiply it by 2, so what would be the answer? It would be minus 12 and minus 4. And for opposite direction, it would be 12 and 4, or you can write 6 and 2, or you can write 3 and 1. If you simplify, you can also do minus 3 and minus 1 for same direction. So we can write more than one answers because it's an open question. You can write any vector, you can multiply it, or you can simplify it. This was question number 2. Thanks for watching my video.